Welcome to lesson number 1 of the ChatGPT for Marketing course by NextScale Media. Look, the entire marketing landscape is changing very fast, extremely fast, and one of the biggest struggles for marketers, personally for me as well, has always been content creation. What is the hardest job for a marketer? Content creation. Creating content is one of the most important parts of marketing, and the majority of marketers struggle with it. They simply don't know how to create content, what to say, how to write, or how to communicate their message properly. And because of this, people face multiple problems. The first problem is, if you're trying to get a good marketing job, getting a high-paying job becomes almost impossible. Why? Because you don't know content creation. You don't know how to communicate value. The second problem is, you cannot create effective advertisements. Why? Because you don't know what copy to write, what video script to create, or what content should go on a landing page. You simply have no clarity. And this is exactly where artificial intelligence comes in. AI can completely change the game. Today, there are many AI tools available. Some are free, some are paid, that can help you create amazing content. But in this course, we're mainly going to focus on 2 powerful tools. The first tool is ChatGPT. You've probably already heard about ChatGPT. And the second tool we're going to use is Google Bard. Using these 2 tools, we will learn how to write content, find marketing angles, generate ideas, create ad copies, write video scripts, improve landing pages, and simplify almost every part of marketing. In short, AI will become your marketing assistant. So make sure you watch this course very carefully. Try to understand every concept I explain. And most importantly, practice everything. Because marketing is a skill that improves only through action. Alright, so I'll see you in the next class, where we'll start learning everything step by step. Thank you so much for watching. This is NextScale Media.